Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore access to your LastPass account after forgetting master password. Full guide step by step clearly. To restore access to your LastPass account after forgetting your master password, follow these simple steps. First, open the LastPass mobile app or website. Click on the login option. Select Forgot Password. This will take you to the password recovery page. Enter your registered email address associated with your LastPass account. Check your email inbox for a password recovery message from LastPass. If the email is not in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you locate the email, click on the link provided. This link will redirect you to a password reset page. Create a new master password by entering it in the designated field. Make sure your new password meets LastPass security requirements. Confirm your new master password by entering it again. After entering the new password, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been reset. Now, log into your LastPass account using your new master password. If you have enabled multi-factor authentication, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, take a moment to review your security settings. Consider enabling recovery options such as password hints or a password manager. If you previously set up account recovery through biometrics or other methods, you can utilize those as well. After securing your account, remember to store your new master password safely. If you still have issues, visit LastPass support for further assistance. Restoring access to your LastPass account is straightforward when following these steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.